Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today I am using this empty coffee jar to decorate it into a beautiful piece of art. I hope you guys will like it and please do watch till end. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel and please do subscribe to it. Let's start with painting this coffee jar with white acrylic spray paint. I have just sprayed 2 coats of white acrylic spray paint on it, and you can see it has given a very beautiful finish to my coffee jar, and a beautiful canvas is already been made on which I can draw, I can paint or decorate whatever I want. Now I will draw some designs with pencil, and you can see I have made beautiful flowers, leaves and branches on it, and now it is ready to paint. So let's get started. I am using yellow color for the backdrop and I am using only acrylic colors to paint the overall jar. You all will get a detailed list of whatever I am using today in this video to decorate this beautiful jar in my description down below. I really like a backdrop of yellow color because it's a very bright color and can be contrasted with any other color and it will look beautiful. As I am going to apply multiple colors to decorate this jar, this yellow backdrop will definitely enhance the beauty of other colors as well. I am coloring the jar till its neck. I am leaving the neck as it is because we are going to decorate it with something else. And to know what it is, keep watching. So here you can see I am done with painting the backdrop and it is already looking so beautiful as I have completed all the 3 sides. So it's time to paint the flowers, branches and leaves as well. At first I am painting all the leaves and branches with green color and then I will start with the flowers. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and you will get the links on my description box below. So you can see I am done with painting the leaves and branches of all the 3 sides, and here you can see the overall look. And now we are ready to paint the flowers. I am just picking up random colors to paint the flowers, and for this flower I am using violet. Then for this flower, I am using crimson color. Then I am using orange color for this flower and mauve color for the flower on the left. Then I am using red color on this flower. Again I am using mauve color for this flower. Again using orange for this small flower. And red for the biggest one. So here you can see I'm done with painting all the flowers, and I have completed the leaves and branches as well. The whole thing has dried up and already looking so beautiful. So now it's time to make the borders. I'm simply using black acrylic color with the help of a thin brush, and I will be bordering the flowers at first and then go for the leaves. I'm also detailing the leaves with black color, and I'm making stripes on it. I am also making stripes on the flower petals as well, so that it makes a different unique pattern on this jar. And overall I'm going to apply this same technique on all the petals and leaves. Let's move to the other side now. I'm applying the same technique everywhere. I am bordering the petals, the leaves and the branches, and then I am filling them with black stripes. Using this similar technique, I have done the third side also. Let's see the final look. You guys can see it's looking so nice and colorful. The contrast between the flowers, leaves and the backdrop is so eye-catchy, and the whole thing is overall so mesmerizing, and I'm in love with it, especially the stripes that is giving the jar so unique look. Now it's time to decorate the neck. For that I'm using a coconut rope, and I will just simply wrap it around the neck. I will be using no glue for this. I will just wrap it around the neck very tightly, and then I will tie a knot to secure it. So let's see how it's looking. Wow, it's looking so beautiful, guys. So now you have seen how you can tie a coconut rope around anything using no glue at all. I have simply wrapped this rope till the height I can reach, and I have again wrapped it down back to the point where I have started, and then I have just secured it with a knot. If you like my artwork, please give a big thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Till then, be safe, stay at home and stay healthy.